Hey gang, what's good? It's your girl, Queen Glitterati, and I am here on my lonely table. I know it looks so lonely, but I have a JoJo Siwa. I think that's how you say her last name. Is it her last name? I'm not sure. But yes, JoJo Siwa. I have a Nickelodeon slime by her. Now, it seems pretty cool because, of course, it's a bucket. And what's not cool about a bucket of slime? Like, I just love having a whole bucket of slime right here ready to play with. So, she has a bunch of extras on top to put inside. So, let's see how cool this is. I am so excited to jump into this. Let's do it.
Ride around with the crew. Ride around with your boo. Yeah. Ride around deep in multiple coops. Yeah. All my hitters around me looking like troops. Yeah.
Okay, gang, so here we go. Here is the big bucket of slime. Oh, wait, that's not the front. Here is the big bucket of slime I was talking about. And as you can see, it is a beautiful pink. I love this color. Like, it's a very pretty pink. And it is by Nickelodeon. It is called the Bow Bedazzle slime. So she's known for her bows. So of course, why not? Let's make it a Bow Bedazzle slime. So it's the extras that's on top. Let's just go right ahead and check out everything that is in here. I did get this one from Target and I paid $9.99, if I'm not mistaken. It was like $9.99. So yeah, that's not bad for a whole bucket of slime with all these extras on top. Well, at least let's hope not. All right, so let me get this thing open. Oh, okay. Woo, that was not hard. All right, so I did get the top off, but still I have like lots of moving parts. Okay, there's the other part. And then now, yeah, let's hit up these pieces here. How do we get this part open? Let's see. Oh, okay, so that just comes right on out the bottom. Like that. Alright, so let's open it up and see. Yeah, let's just dump it. Let's just dump that one out to see what's in there. Yes, get out of here. Alright, so here we go. We have some bowls. Yes, these are literally little bowls. And I don't know about these. These are always the ones that I feel like has the sharp edges. So we'll see how that goes. Also we have some, the little beady balls. These are like little beads. Okay, so this is like literally like hair beads. More bowls? Yes, more bowls. Okay. So we got 2 bags of bowls and more beads. Alright, so 2 bags of bowls, 2 bags of beads, and I'm guessing this is going to be 2 bags of little wiggly eyes. Alright. Is this coming together for you guys? I don't know. Bowls, beads, wiggly eyes, and a dog charm. Oh, isn't that little doggy so cute with that bow on top of? Oh, the dog has a bow. Okay, that is cute. The eyes are kind of awkward, but oh, so cute. All right, we'll put you here. Okay, so let's jump right into this slime. Let's get this slime open. Let's see what this slime is actually about. JoJo, what you got for us here? JoJo / Nickelodeon. Alright, I'm going to roll my sleeves up a little bit so I can get in here and take a feel. Okay. Okay, so trying to get some stretch. No real stretch going on, guys. Alright, let's just get that one out of here. Let's take it out the bucket and see what we can do. Alright, let's go ahead and put the extras in because they're so cute. So let's just go and dive right in there. So we have to start with these bowls. These little cute bowls. They're so cute. Let's just put them right on. Should we just go for it? Are we just dumping all of this in here? I guess that's the point, right? All right, let's dump these wiggly eyes in there. And what was the other? The beads. Let's go for it. Whoops. All right, let's mix that in. Ooh. Okay. All right, I'm feeling you. See how it just tears apart? It looks pretty in there, though. Look at that. But more tear. And like I said, like the edges of the bowls are a little sharp. That's what the confetti usually does. The confetti is like pretty sharp when you put it on the edges. So beware of that, guys. Well, not put it on the edges. Put it in the slime. What? The edges is sharp when you put it in the slime. What am I talking about? I don't know. But look, it looks so pretty. I love how it looks. It is very pretty. Okay, are we going for it? Are we just going to add the rest in? Why not? All right, let's go ahead. Add the rest in there. I guess that's just the whole point. Just dump it all in. Part 2. No. Let's put all of this in right now. All right, so again, the bowls, the beads. And the wiggly eyes. And yes, this is a bucket of slime. I mean, it's so much slime. This is enough for a party. Like, you can share this, guys. You don't even need all of this. But of course, you know we want it. We want all of this. It's so pretty, guys. I love the look of it. I do. I love how pretty this looks. I love how clear it is. Even though it still has the hint of pink. But it still seems like it's like so clear. To the point where you can like see everything in there. Very, very bright. Overall, it's very pretty. I don't know if I mentioned whether it was scented or not, but it is not. It has no scent. It's very shiny. And it's very pretty. Like when you add everything in there, it looks good. It really does. Okay, gang, that's it. Another review. I'm like, you know, this one was pretty like much ooh. So I think if I have to say, you know, let's rate it on what it is. It was good. Like it was really good. It was a good ooze. It was a good goo. Let's just keep this in the gooey oozy category and say we'll give this a thumbs up because it was a great goo. It was very pretty, very clear, had good hopes, and you know it was bedazzled. So you know we love some bedazzled slime, yes. So if you're in Target, you see this, you already know what it's about. Up to you. It's up to you guys. Alright guys, let me know what other slimes that you would like me to review and I'll hop on it. Leave it down in the comments. Make sure you give it a very big slimy thumbs up. Yes, I said slimy. Give it a slimy thumbs up because why not? Please make sure you subscribe. Make sure you share. Make sure you tune in next time. I love you guys so much. Make sure you think positive, spread kindness, and share lots and lots of love. See you guys next time.
'Cause you know that glitter on your biggest fan of